Today I'm making a caramel banana pudding. First I'm going to make the whipped cream, so in a bowl I have 2 cups of heavy cream and then I'm going to add a half a cup of sugar. Mix that up until stiff peaks form and then put this in the fridge for later. Now I'm going to make the pudding layer, so in a bowl I'm going to add 1 family-size pack of instant vanilla pudding mix. Next add 3 cups of milk. Then add 7 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. Mix this up until the pudding starts to thicken and then put this in the fridge for 10 minutes for the pudding to set up. Now it's time to build the pudding, so I have an 8x8 pan. I'm going to add a thin layer of whipped cream and spread that out. Next I have these chessmen salted caramel cookies. I'm going to add a layer of those. Then add half of the vanilla pudding and spread that out. Next add a layer of some sliced bananas. Next I have 26 ounces of dulce de leche that I heated up slightly, and now I'm going to add it on top of the bananas and spread that out. Next add half of the whipped cream and spread that out. Then add another layer of the salted caramel chessmen cookies. Add the rest of the vanilla pudding and spread that out. Next add the rest of the whipped cream and spread that out. Lastly, add some sliced bananas on top, cover this up and put this in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours before serving. Here's a slice of the caramel banana pudding.